You pay for the VPN, you set it up, you feel safe, and then you walk into a coffee shop, connect to the public Wi-Fi, open your banking app, and realize you forgot to turn on your VPN before you left the house. Over 70% of VPN users have exposed their private data at some point simply because they forgot to hit the connect button before opening a sensitive app. Again, 70%. That's more a human flaw than a security flaw. Conditional VPN automation is essentially CyberGhost's way of removing that human step entirely. Their Smart Rules feature lets you set conditions like automatically activating the VPN the moment you connect to public Wi-Fi or open a sensitive app. No manual connect button, it just knows. And quick disclosure before we continue, our parent company is part of the same ownership group as CyberGhost. That said, Smart Rules genuinely stands out because very few VPNs offer this level of conditional automation built directly into the app. So let me break it down with an analogy. A standard VPN is like having a bodyguard on speed dial. The guy is huge, trained, he could probably bench press your car. But you actually have to remember to call him before you walk into a dangerous neighborhood. You forget to call him, and you're now out there on your own. Well, CyberGhost has now upgraded the bodyguard service to a personal secret agent called Smart Rules. You don't call them, you don't text them. The moment you reach for your wallet to pay for something, they step out of the shadows and shield you. No action required on your end, and that's the difference here. Smart Rules is CyberGhost's automation engine, and it sits right here in the app under its own dedicated tab. And again, the concept here is pretty simple. You tell CyberGhost when to activate, where to connect, and what to launch, and then you never think about it again. Let me show you how this works. I'm gonna create a rule right now. When I open the Netflix app, automatically connect me to the US streaming server. Done. 3 clicks, and from this point forward, every time I launch Netflix on this device, CyberGhost fires up the VPN, connects to the right server, and I'm watching US content before the logo animation finishes. But it goes even deeper than that. Smart Rules has 4 categories. You can set launch rules so the VPN connects the second you open the app. You can configure Wi-Fi rules that detect whether a network is secured or unsecured and react accordingly. So if you connect to an unencrypted Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, CyberGhost kicks in automatically without you lifting a finger. You can define app rules that trigger a server connection when specific programs launch, and you can set exceptions to exclude certain websites from the VPN tunnel entirely, so your local banking site or Google Maps can still use your real location. This really is the ultimate set it and forget it feature for non-technical people. Most VPNs give you a connect button and call it a day. CyberGhost is the only one I've tested that offers this level of conditional automation baked directly into the app. And it's available on both Windows and Mac OS, with the Windows version offering a few extra options like site-level split tunneling. All right, let's put a number on everything we've just covered. This is where CyberGhost makes its strongest case. If you go with the 2-year plan, CyberGhost comes in at roughly $2.19 a month, and they typically throw in a couple of bonus months as well. That puts your total around $56.94 for over 2 years of full VPN coverage. And when you factor in its 11,000 plus servers, dedicated streaming profiles, no spy privacy, and Smart Rules automation, at that price point, CyberGhost is difficult to beat. And then there's the refund policy. Most VPNs give you 30 days to test the product and ask for your money back. CyberGhost gives you 45 days. That's an extra 2 full weeks to stress test every feature, try every server, stream everything you want, and still walk away with a full refund if you don't like it. And simply put, a company that's uncertain about its product or service doesn't offer that kind of refund window. If you want a VPN that comes with a massive server network, labels everything so clearly that your parents could use it, and automatically protects you the second that you open your apps, then CyberGhost is the undisputed king of convenience in 2026. The Smart Rules automation alone puts it in a category that most competitors just haven't figured out how to match yet. Use the exclusive link down in the description below. That link gets you the best available rate and helps support this channel at the same time, which we really appreciate. And if you want to see how CyberGhost stacks up against the fastest VPN on the market, then click right here to watch our CyberGhost versus ExpressVPN showdown. Don't forget to drop a comment and let us know how you use your VPN. Your setup might just inspire a future video. But as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.